So what you're looking at there is some Butia odorata. Those are more commonly referred to as jelly palms or Pindo palms. So we have a lot of these. They're pretty prolific plants here in central Texas. And we collect a lot of seeds and share and sell and trade those with a lot of our friends out there in the palm collecting world. So what we do is we go through a process of cleaning them before we plant. You got to get that fruit off of them. It's pretty easy to do. My process is actually to just soak them in water for a couple days, and then pretty much the flesh just sort of falls right off. So as you can see, these ones have recently been cleaned. We'll let them sit here for a day or two, dry out, and then kind of clean off any remaining little bit of fruit that's left on the seeds. Now, the interesting thing about these is they're sort of polyembryonic seeds. So inside each one of these is up to 3 separate and individual little seeds that will germinate. So from each one of these, you might actually get 3 small seedlings that pop off of that, and it's pretty common for us to have those there. A lot of people talk about sort of the problems they have germinating Butia seeds. If you have any issues with that, or have had some, would like to learn a little bit more about how to successfully germinate Butia seeds, check out some of my other videos. I've posted some videos. We have a lot of luck and success at germinating these seeds. So check out those videos, which kind of give you the step-by-step procedures that I follow, and the materials that I use to successfully germinate them. The tip or trick with these is they like a lot of heat. So just know that kind of in advance. Heat's your secret weapon when you're trying to germinate Butia seeds. So anyways, those are freshly cleaned seeds that will be going out to some of our friends out there in the palm collecting and growing world. So enjoy.